morning, students. And the next topic reaction mechanism is the Claisen reaction. Okay, so first we see about the Claisen reaction. Here the benzaldehydes reacts with the aliphatic aldehyde or ketone, okay, which contains some aliphatic aldehyde and ketones in the presence of 10% alkali. Okay, so it forms a alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone is said to be Claisen reaction. Okay, so here's the benzaldehyde compound reacted with an acetaldehyde, okay, in the presence of base. Okay, so in this reaction only H2O will be removed in this reaction. Okay, so the H2O will be removed. So okay, H2O will be removed. So here on the CH, okay, only one H2O will be removed in this reaction. Okay, here. So the same reaction will be, it is said to be cinnamaldehyde. Okay, again this reaction benzaldehyde react with the acetone. Okay, so again the same H2 will be removed in this reaction. Okay, here CH, the CH, okay, and 2 H2O will be removed in this reaction. It becomes form benzol acetone because which contains one ketone group, here which contains one aldehyde group. Okay, is said to be Claisen reaction. Okay, so next we see about the mechanism of this reaction. Okay, so first we see about the formation of the reaction. Okay, so the first reaction, the benzaldehyde react with base. Okay, here the one taking hydroxy group, the benzaldehyde which contains one minus ion. Okay, so this is a plus ion. So here the one H2 will be removed in this reaction. Okay, so it becomes CH2. Okay, so getting negative charge, carbon ion or nucleophilic. Okay, so said to be nucleophilic. Okay, this compound is a nucleophile or carbon ion. Okay, so it becomes CH2 minus CHO plus H2O. Okay, so next group, this next step is here the pH means C6H5. It is a symbol of pH, benzene. Okay, so pH C double bond O plus H. Okay, so it is aldehyde group. Again this carbon ion reacted with benzaldehyde. Okay, so the double bond become breakable into single bond. Okay, so becomes it getting the negative charge. Okay, this minus will be directly attack this carbon. Okay, so here getting the H will pH C bond O minus and the H will be coming of this reaction and CH2 CHO. Okay, it will become same. Okay, again it become hydrolysis. Okay, in the hydrolysis only O become getting hydrolysis H. Okay, so pH OH CH2 CHOH and the one again this here one OH minus will be removed in this reaction. Okay, only one OH will be attacked in this reaction. Again next OH will be removed in this reaction. Coming up again heating with H2O, only remover of H2O. Okay, so it become pH. Okay, this become double bond. So it becomes double bond. It attacked in this reaction pH CH. Okay, here the CH, the double bond CH2 CHO. Okay, this H2O will, this OH minus will be removed in this reaction. Okay, so said to be cinnamaldehyde and this reaction is said to be Claisen reaction. Okay, so it is a very very important reaction. Okay, so coming up from the synthesis, so here the applications based on the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Okay, hence in the it is also used for synthesis of piperine and beta ionone. Okay, so next mechanism will be reformatesky reaction. It is a very 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 important reaction. Okay, so an alpha ester which means a bromoester. Okay, so it is reacts with an aldehyde or ketone in the presence of zinc metal to form a beta hydroxy ester, contains one hydroxy group and ester group. Okay, this is known as a reformatesky reaction. Okay, so here the ketone react with the alpha bromoester. Okay, here the ketone molecules RC double bond O, here the alpha bromoester become containing CH2 COC2 H5OH. Okay, one bromine group here is said to be alpha bromoester in the presence of zinc metal. So this reaction form R C bond R. Here the double bond H2O will be only removed in this reaction. So it becomes R C bond R CH2 COO C2 H5. Here the next step, other mechanism. Okay, you're writing like this or otherwise writing like the here. Okay, so here the alpha bromoester reacted with an ketone or aldehyde, so it become formed as a one zinc in the presence of benzene. Okay, only double bond O will be removed in this reaction. So this double bond O getting single bond. Okay, so OZ10Br and CH2 here the plus groups and minus group directly attack in this reaction. Okay, so this is a mechanism. First step is the formation of organozinc compound. Okay, this is a mechanism. First step. So here the ethyl bromoacetate. Here the ethyl bromoacetate one contain alpha, or otherwise said by alpha bromoacetate in the presence of zinc plus zinc react with zinc the presence of benzene. Okay, so it contain one organozinc compound. Here the Br and the Z10 will be directly attacked in this reaction. It getting plus charge, here getting sub plus charge because metal contains plus charge. Here the CH2 COO C2H5. It is the organozinc compound. Okay, so next step, the organozinc compound generates a carbon ion, which means nucleophile, to form the stabilized resonance stabilized. Okay, here the BRZ10 plus writing this reaction. Okay, here again the CH2 COO C25. Okay, because the CH2 contain 2 lone pair of electrons, here the oxygen contains 2 lone pair of electrons. Write it like this. Okay, so the double bond will be breakable. Okay, here the 2 lone pair of electrons become attacked with the C double bond. No, it becomes double bond. Okay, here see the CH2 double bond, here the double bond becomes single bond and getting 2 lone pair of electrons and 1 C2H5. Okay, it is said to be resonance stabilizer of carbon ion of nucleophile. Second will be nucleophilic addition to the carbonyl group followed by acid hydrolysis of beta hydroxy ester. Okay, here contains one ketone group. Okay, so here the ketone, here the, again alpha bromoester. Okay, so it contains 2 lone pair of electrons, 2 lone pair of, here also 2 lone pair of electrons. Okay, so this 2 lone pair of electrons directly attacked in this reaction. Okay, so here the double bond becomes single bond. See the CH3 C, here the single bond O bond Z10. Here the Z10Br directly attacked in this reaction because O contains minus charge, here contains plus charge. Okay, so here the minus directly attacked to the plus charge CH2 COO C25. Again we get hydrolysis, only OH will be converted other as it is. Okay, CH2 COO CTH5 is to be ethyl beta hydroxy isovarilate or ethyl 3 hydroxy 3 methyl butanate. Okay, 1 2 3 4 carbons here. Okay, so said to be butanoate. Okay, again the dehydration means removal of H2O. Okay, the same reaction writing in this reaction. Okay, first step 2. Okay, so we are adding heating removal of H2O. Okay, this OH minus will be removed, it becomes double bond. Okay, see the CH3 C, this bond will be breakable, it become double bond CH H2O will be removed in this reaction. One H will be removed into H2O. Okay, so CH COO C2H5. Again hydrolysis. Okay, again hydrolysis, it this becomes C2COH. Okay, C2H5OH will be converted. This become CHCOH is said to be 3-methyl 2-butanoic acid. Okay, this is the reformatesky reaction. Okay, thank you.